Hello students, today we are going to read forward Rabbi Ben Ajra, Robert Browning. So far we have read that Browning says, or rather we should say Rabbi says that we should have a balance between old age and young age. We should welcome old age because it gives us experience. Young age, its own desires, its own failures, its own pleasures, its own pains. But when we achieve the old age, then only we can be able to examine the things. Later on says that at the old age only we realize the importance of soul, not only the body, because then only we realize this thing that only body cannot suit our soul in its way forward. We must have a good blend of physical as well as spiritual things to go forward to the other world, means the life after death. Now, next, yet gifts should prove their use. I own the past profuge of par each side, perfection every turn, eyes, ears took in their dole, brain treasured up the whole. Should not the heart beat once? How good to live and learn. Now, in the last paragraph, he says no, that what is he but a brute whose flesh has soul to suit, whose spirit works lest arms and legs want play? To man propose this taste, thy body at its bed. How far can that project thy soul on its lone way? He said that this is the only way between a brute, an animal, and a human being, that he has only physical prowesses, but we have intellectual prowesses also. We have this divine spark also in. But he says, yet still, gifts should prove their use. Still, all the gifts which we have got, which we are given to us by God, they must prove their usability. All the gifts which the God has given, gifts like the physical abilities, the eyes, ear, the hands, the limbs, means all the gifts, they have their value and we should all try to use them. I own the past profuge of power each side, perfection every turn. He says, I own this thing, I admit this thing, I confess this thing, that I have a very profuge past, means a very plentiful past in which I have ample of everything, I have plenty of everything, of power each side, means I have physical powers as well as my senses each side, means they are in a balanced position. I have perfection every turn, and on every turn I have attained perfection. The physical qualities of mine, they have attained perfection at every turn, at means turn of time, turn of age, I have got perfection. Eyes, ear took in their dole. Even dole means share. Even eyes, even ears, they have their own share in this all, means whatever I have had in my young age, whatever I have perfected in my young age, all the gifts which I have used, I have plenty, everything, I have power ample. So all these things, even eyes and ears, they have also took their share, they have also have their own works to do. Brain treasured up the whole, means look at the things he's saying that my physical powers, my hands, my limbs, my legs, they, eyes, ears, means they are also physical organs, they all have provided, they all have added up to their share. And what are the thing which has completed? Brain treasured up the whole. And my brain, it has treasured, means it has stored all the knowledge, all the experience, all the achievements which I have achieved with the help of these physical organs. मेरे जो भी ये फिजिकल ऑर्गन्स थे, चाहे हैंड हो, चाहे लेग हो, चाहे आईज हो, चाहे ईयर्स हो, इन सब का शेयर था. इन वट एवर आई हैव अचीव्ड इन माई यंग एज, उस जो अचीवमेंट था, वो जो एक्सपीरियंस था, वो जो लर्निंग्स थी, जो कुछ मैंने हासिल किया, दे ऑल आर स्टोर्ड अप बाय द ब्रेन। वो जो सब कुछ था, वो जो होल था, उस एक्सपीरियंस को, वो जो फिजिकल एक्सपीरियंस जो था, उससे जो भी नॉलेज प्राप्त हुई, उससे जो भी ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ, उससे जो भी लर्निंग हुई, वो कहाँ स्टोर हुई? इट वॉज स्टोर्ड बाई ब्रेन। Should not the heart beat once? And should not my heart should beat just once only? कम से कम एक बार तो ये हो ना कि my heart should throb with this gratitude and say how good to live and learn, how good it is to live and to learn. Because the animals, they only live, they don't learn anything. This is the difference, we human beings and animals. This is what he is trying to say कि हम human beings में और animals में क्या difference है? वी लिव, दे लिव, इट्स ओके। हम भी जिंदा रहते हैं, वो भी जिंदा रहते हैं, दे ऑल हैव देयर, दे फीड एंड दे डाई। बट व्हाट इज द difference between human beings and animals is that we live and learn also. We have a mind to store these experiences, we have a mind to treasure up those learnings of ours. So just because of that thing, we must be thankful to the God that how good it is to live and to learn. Not once beat, pride be thine. I see the whole design. I who saw par, see now love perfect too. Perfect I call thy plan. Thanks that I was a man, maker, remake, complete. I trust that thou shalt do. Now he said, in earlier paragraph we have read that once, at least once, our heartbeat should say this thing. It should pronounce this thing, that how good to live and learn, means in a very thankful manner to God. But now he says, not once beat, praise be thine. Should we not feel thankful at least once in our hearts, that praise be thine, all glory to the God? Means praise, all the praises, all the glory, all the credit should be given to the God. I see the whole design. And now he says, when I have grown old, now I see the whole design, means complete plan of the God about the universe, about the man, about the animals, or whatever he has created, about youth and old age, about body and soul, means all those things which he have planned for us, which he has designed for us. He says, I see the whole design. Now I understand the whole design. I who saw power. How I am able to see the whole design? मुझे अब उसका जो सारा डिजाइन था भगवान का, गॉड का, वो अब क्यों समझ आ रहा है? बिकॉज आई हु सो पार, मैं वो आदमी हूँ हु हैड सीन द पार, माई फिजिकल पार्स आई हैव सीन when I was young. जब मैं यंग था, then I have seen the physical parts of mine. See now love perfect too. And now I am able to see the perfect love of God also, in that how perfectly he loves the mankind. Means भाई जो यंग एज थी, उस टाइम जो था वो मैं उसकी पार देख पा रहा था, मैं अपनी फिजिकल पावर्स जो थी उनको फील कर पा रहा था. नाउ आई एम एबल टू सी दैट ऑल परवेडिंग लव, दैट स्पिरिचुअल लव. थैंक्स perfect I call thy plan, thanks that I was a man, and now I call thy plan as perfect. अब मैं जो तुम्हारी प्लान है, he is addressing to the God, that now I am calling your plan as perfect. Thanks that I was a man, and I am very thankful to you that you have created me a man. आपने मुझे एक man का दर्जा दिया, मुझे एक man बनाया, इसके लिए I am very thankful to you, O God. Maker, remake, complete, I trust that thou what thou shalt do. और वो कह रहा है, मेकर रीमेक मी, कंप्लीट मी, इफ आई हैव एनी फ्लॉज, इफ देयर आर एनी मिस्टेक्स कमिटेड बाय मी, देन रीमेक मी एंड मेक मी कंप्लीट. रबी जो है वो गॉड से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है कि ओ मेकर, मेरे निर्माण करता, इफ देयर इज एनी फ्लॉज इन मी, इफ देयर आर एनी लैकिंग्स इन मी, then remake and complete me, because I trust what thou shalt do. I have complete trust in you, in your design, in your planning, in your making, in your doings. मेरा आपकी जो निर्माण कार्य है उसमें मुझे पूरा विश्वास है. He is addressing to the God, so remake me. For pleasure is this flesh, for pleasant is this flesh, our soul in its roge maze, pulled ever to the earth, still yearns for rest. Would we some prize might hold to match those manifold possessions of the brute, gain most as we did best. Now he's moving on to the spiritual side. He says, for pleasant is this flesh. It is very pleasant to have this flesh, means this body. It is very pleasant. It is a very pleasurable thing to have this body of a man. Now he's talking about body and soul, that matter. That he says, for pleasant is this place flesh. ये जो flesh है, ये जो body है हमारी, it is quite pleasant. Our soul, but our soul, what about it? That doesn't feel pleasant in this body. In its rose maze pulled ever to the earth. Our soul is ensnared in a net of roses. ये जो शरीर जो है इसको कंपेयर कर रहा है ना, इन ए मेटाफर ही इज सेइंग इट इज ए रोज मेस. ये गुलाबों का बुना हुआ जाल है. बॉडी जो है हमारी, ये एक गुलाबों के जाल की तरह है से है, मतलब एक सुंदर सा जाल है जिसमें सोल जो है वो एंसनेड है, हमारी आत्मा जो है वो फंसी हुई है. पुल्ड एवर टू अर्थ, जहां उसको बार बार अर्थ पे घसीट लिया जाता है. वेयर सोल वांट्स टू गो, इट वांट्स टू गो टू द सुपर सोल, है ना. आत्मा कहां जाना चाहती है? परमात्मा के पास. बट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दैट दिस बॉडी with its pleasure, with its attraction, it has entrapped the soul and pulling it again and again to the earth, still yearns for rest. Our soul still yearns for rest, but our soul, what it likes, what it desires rest, means after death, that peace, that kind of satisfaction it wants is rest. Would we some prize might hold to match those manifold possessions of the brute? Now he says that if we talk about the physical pleasures, if we talk about the physical abilities, physical powers, then he says that the possessions of animals are much more better than us. ना हमारी बजाय जो एनिमल्स हैं, जो जानवर हैं, वो ज़्यादा ताकतवर होते हैं, उनके शरीर जो हैं वो ज़्यादा बेहतर equipped होते हैं हमारी बजाय. So he says would we some prize might hold to match those manifold possessions of the brute. ब्रूट जो होते हैं, एनिमल जो होते हैं, उनके पास तो मैनीफोल्ड पोजीशंस हैं, उनके पास बहुत सारी ताकत हैं, उनके जो बॉडीली पावर्स हैं वो हमसे बहुत ज़्यादा कई गुना है, मैनीफोल्ड हैं. सो उनके उन मैनीफोल्ड पोजीशंस को मैच करने के लिए, इक्वलाइज करने के लिए, डोंट वी हैव एनी प्राइज? क्या हमारे पास ऐसा कोई प्राइज है नहीं? यस, it is there. It says gain most as we did best, है ना. We will acquire that reward to our matching to our struggles. If we try our best, then we will gain our best. हम जितनी ज़्यादा मेहनत करेंगे, because what we have this soul to match their physical prowesses. उनके जितनी फिजिकल प्रोग्रेसेस अपने पास नहीं है, लेकिन अपने पास क्या है? व्हाट वी ह्यूमंस हैव होल्ड टू मैच द एनिमल्स, वी हैव द सोल. एंड द मोर वी ट्राई, द मोर वी पुट एफर्ट्स टूवर्ड्स सोल, नॉट टूवर्ड्स बॉडी, है ना. क्योंकि बॉडीली पावर्स का तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. अगर हम चाहें हम हाथी का मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट व्हाट वी कैन डू इट विद आवर माइंड. हम हमारे माइंड से कर सकते हैं. सो ही सेज दैट द मोर वी effort with our soul, the more we will achieve. Let us not always say, spite of this flesh today, I strove, made head, gained ground upon the whole. As the bird wings and sings, let us cry, all good things are ours, nor soul helps flesh more now than flesh. He says, let us not always say, spite of this flesh today. Okay, we should not always say this thing. We should not always say that this flesh has been a bad thing. Right? We should not always say this thing, that in spite of this flesh today, I strove, made head. I have struggled, I have tried, and I have made head, means I have progressed. Means now he is saying that we must not decry our body totally. है ना. हमें जो है पूरी तरह से शरीर को भी ओवरलुक नहीं करना चाहिए। हमें ये नहीं कहना चाहिए कि जो शरीर जो है वो हमारे स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट के लिए एक बाधा है, और हमने स्ट्रगल किया है, हमने मेहनत की है, और तब हमने इस जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ है इसमें प्रोग्रेस किए। वो क्या कहना चाह रहा है? वो कहना चाह रहा है कि बॉडी और सोल जो है ना वो म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे चलने चाहिए ना। देयर शुड नॉट बी ए हॉस्टिलिटी बिटवीन देम, है ना। आपस में उनमें कोई विरोधाभास नहीं होना चाहिए। As the bird wings and sings, let us cry. And as a bird flies on its wings and then it sings that all good things are ours, nor soul helps flesh more now than flesh. ऐसे उनकी तरह से हमें बर्ड्स की तरह से हमें भी क्राई करना चाहिए that these things both body and soul both are equally good. They complement each other and they help each other in our progress towards salvation, because this is what Browning's ideal, that there should be an alliance between body and soul, both works for each other's good, है ना. So he says that let us cry that all good things are ours. Whatever we have, they all are good things. Like our soul helps flesh more, and then फ्लेश, कभी हमारी बॉडी जो है वो सोल की हेल्प करती है, कभी हमारी सोल जो है वो फ्लेश की हेल्प करती है. सो वी शुड हैव ए वेरी मीन्स बैलेंस्ड वे ऑफ life in which we have a complementary working of each body and soul. Then only we will be able to succeed in life, then only we will be able to attain that highest mark of our life. So this is it. Thank you.